This is Mohammad Mohsin Abbasi. Today I am going to present the project of statistics in this video. So the title of my project is Analyzing the Google Play Store Apps Dataset. So this analysis focuses on dataset of Google Play Store apps. In Google Play Store apps, we have a lot of categories of apps, their ratings, their installs, number of installs they have had, their reviews, and a lot of many things, on the basis of which we can conclude a fruitful insights for the app development industry. The objective of this project is to get some fruitful insights from this data and to help the app development industry to publish and to develop successful apps and grow in the industry or the market. This is the overview of the Google Play Store apps dataset. So my app dataset has 13 columns and almost 10,841 rows that include all categories of apps, the names of the apps that are grouped category wise, and number of installs, rating, reviews, size, and updated version, last version, and a lot of many things, on the basis of which we can get some insights from this data. As I have already discussed that the purpose and the significance of analyzing this dataset, it basically targets the app development industry, the developers, the marketers. They can use this analysis to grow up in the industry. They can make sure that which kind of apps they are going to make, they want to make, or they should make to grow up in the industry or in the app development industry. The purpose is clear. The purpose of this dataset or this project is to help to give insights to developers, marketers, or investors, so that they can make decision that what kind of app a developer should make or should publish on the App Store, on the Google Play Store, so that they can grow. They can grow in the industry. Their app should perform. So for that, they can get insights from this dataset. By analyzing the distribution of app categories, ratings, and pricing, we can gain insights into what types of apps are popular, what factors contribute to high ratings, and how pricing strategies impact user acquisition. Here we can see in the slide that our problem statement is clear, that what factors contribute to the success of apps on the Google Play Store, how do different app categories perform in terms of ratings, downloads, and revenue, what are the trends in app development and user behavior. In our project, we have first pre-processed our data by replacing the missing values with mean, median, and mode accordingly. We have handled the outliers, and we have also visualized that outliers, so that we can get to know that what are the outliers and what kind of outline they are providing us. So we have transformed the data where there is non-numeric values. We have made our data consistent so that it is easier. It will become easier for us to implement the statistics on it. So in this slide, we can also see that there is a heat map we have made by using Python, and we have made our data consistent by removing the outliers. So moving to the next slide, our next step was exploratory data analysis, that is also known as EDA. So in this, we have got descriptive statistics, data visualization, and correlation analysis. For descriptive statistics, we have calculated the mean of our data, that basically we have targeted the column that is rating, on the basis of which most of the time we have calculated statistics on the ratings column, on the basis of which we have got the insights. So here we calculated mean, median, standard deviation to get to know what is the dispersion of the data, how the data is spreaded, skewness we have measured here, and along with that we have visualized our data by using different visualization techniques in the Python and in the statistics, so that we can get insights easily by just visualizing our data, that what kind of data is it, and what kind of skewness the data has, and what are the correlations of the data with different columns and categories. We have also made a pie chart to visualize the categories and their distribution on the basis of their ratings, pricing, and etc. etc. So at the end, before concluding our this video session, this presentation, I would tell you what key insights and findings we have got from our project and dataset. So the first is dominant categories. Whenever a developer wants to develop a new app, it is helpful for him or for her to get to know that what are the dominant categories of app on Play Store exists. So accordingly, they will develop their apps that falls in that category, so that they can get reach, they can get good installs. If the app is paid, they can generate good revenue, and a lot of that. So this data set, this analysis, or this project will help the developers to get to know what are the dominant categories, or what are the trending categories, or what are the trends of the markets right now. So moving to the next, user satisfaction. In this data set, we have also got the reviews. By visualizing or by calculating each and everything, we can get to know that what kind of reviews on what kind of categories users are giving, what kind of apps that are satisfying the users, so that we can improve or we can build apps like that, so that how the prices are affecting. Free apps are significantly more prevalent, but a substantial number of paid apps exist, catering to specific user needs and premium features. So we can get to know that what kind of apps that we can build and launch or publish paid, and what kind of app that users need to be free. So accordingly, we can develop and we can build and we can grow this industry. We can grow our organization or software house, whatever we are doing in. So that's all about the insights we have got from our data set. So this is all about my data set and my project that I have made in this end semester project. So now concluding my project, I would say that it's very beneficial data sets insights that we have got from this data, so that the app development industry can grow by using these great insights that our data set have made. Thank you. So at last, thank you very much.